Open up your mind and make the time right. Tryna put the young kid up in the limelight. Don't know if he ready, how the pressure been getting too heavy. But I've been coming for the top spot, there ain't no question.
What is poppin', Zing Gang? I got a little bit of a different video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get MovieBox or Bobby Movie on your iOS device for absolutely free. If you guys don't know what MovieBox is, I assume that you do since you are looking up this video. But if you just happen to, come across this video, MovieBox and Bobby Movie are basically platforms that let you watch movies for absolutely free, no rent. You don't have to pay, no download, no nothing. It's all free. And some of them are even still in theaters, and most of them have just been released. So it's a pretty good deal. It's pretty easy to download. So I'm going to show you guys just how to do that. Go ahead and go to the link in the description, or you can type it in at tweakboxapp.com. So once you get there, you can see the nice little logo up top, and then it says download app in the big black rectangle. Go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to ask you this. Just hit allow, and it should bring you right to your settings. Once you're in settings, you can read it if you want. Just go ahead and hit install, and then type in your passcode if you have one. Once your passcode is typed in, go ahead and click install at the bottom and hit done. It'll take you back to the website, but what you want to do is just actually back out, and you can see wherever your open space is, which is down here on the right for me. Go ahead and hit Tweakbox, and that will open. At first, it's going to spam you with a bunch of ads. Just wait and hit the X button up here. Hit OK, and then go to Apps. Go to Tweakbox Apps right here. So all the apps are in alphabetical order. So if you're looking for MovieBox, obviously go to the M's, click on it, and hit install. Once you hit install, it's going to ask you again. Go ahead and hit install once again. And it'll tell you the version and size. So if there's a version you're looking for, you can look at that and stuff like that. But anyway, hit your home button, go back to your screen. You'll see that it is downloading. And it's going to say installing. So we're going to wait for that. But once we hit the app, it's not going to let us open it. You're going to go here and it's going to say untrusted enterprise developer. Don't worry, everything is fine. This is how it's supposed to work. Go ahead and hit cancel. Go back to your settings. Make sure you're in general. Go down into profiles and device management. And then click the Nari Group Corporation. Yours might say something else. They're all different all the time. So then hit trust. Hit trust again. And then go back to MovieBox. And it should open this time. So we'll throw a couple ads on there just because that's how they make some of their money. But as you can see, the new Star Wars is on here. Downsizing, Jumanji. That movie is actually pretty good. It's a little underrated. Not shouting it out or anything. I just thought it was good. You see there's a bunch of movies. Justice League, if you guys not seen that, that's good. I mean, it's just a great app to do. So the same thing follows with the Bobby Movie. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that one anyway. But if you don't want to waste as much time, just do the same steps on the Bobby Movie app. So let's go back into Tweakbox right now. Wait till the ads go away. Go ahead and click out. Go to apps, Tweakbox apps. Go to Bobby Movie. It should be at the top because it starts with a B. Hit install again. Go to your screen, wait for it to download. As you can see, it did download. We're going to click it. This time it's going to open because it is under the same, group, corporation or whatever. This might not be the case for you. It's going to try to open an ad on me. Go ahead and close out of there. And as you can see, Star Wars is also on here. Thank you for your service on here. This one has a much cleaner layout. They're both pretty usable. I mean, I like them both. So it's basically whatever your preference is. So I hope this video was helpful. Go watch some movies. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys want to see any certain type of video, go ahead and comment down below. I will make sure to make one of those videos. And as always, have a wonderful rest of your day. That's going to do it for me. Peace.